Hello, my name is Fiona and welcome back to Crocheting Diamonds. In today's video we are going to be doing a crochet for beginners video, and in this video I am going to teach you how to create a chain stitch. So for the purposes of this tutorial I'm going to be using some scrap chunky yarn, and to correspond with that we're going to be using a 6mm hook. You can use whatever weight of yarn that you like, just make sure you have the corresponding hook size. So let's begin, shall we? So first off we're going to need to create a slip knot. You could do that in whatever method you prefer. I'm just going to show you the method I use. So I take this tail end of the yarn and I place it over my finger like so, grab it between my thumb and forefinger. Then this working end of the yarn, is the end that's attached to the ball. Bring it over like so. Now we're going to take that back loop and we're going to bring it over this one like so, and there we go, we've created our slip knot. Put our hook in there and we're just going to cinch that down like so. You don't want it too tight, you want to be able to maneuver it along the shaft of your crochet hook. Then in your other hand you're going to tension your yarn. Again, using my thumb and forefinger, I'm going to just hold on to under here, hold on to that knot that we made. That helps you to control your work as you're working. So to create a chain stitch you're going to want the head of the hook facing away from you like so. You're going to grab the yarn, turn your hook like so, and then this yarn that we've just grabbed we're going to pull through the loop that's already on our hook like so, and that's a chain stitch. Let's do that again. So hook facing away from us, we are going to grab the yarn, turn our hook and pull through. That action that we've just done is called a yarn over. So hook away from us, this is the yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then just as you're working just move your thumb and forefinger up your work, that way you can control it as it's building. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and just keep doing that until you've got the chain the length that you want it. So whatever length of the work you're doing, say if you're doing a granny square, well no, you wouldn't want it for a granny square, whatever length you need for the work you're doing, so if you're doing a scarf or a blanket, whatever, you just keep building that chain like so, and that is a chain stitch. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have, then please do give this video a like, and if you'd like to see more content like this then please do click onto that subscribe button down below, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Bye!